Right, exactly. Alright, so this is the kitchen. Cupboards. Fridge. Is there a microwave in here?
That would be theirs.
Oh, okay. This is the living room. Front entrance. Back porch. Parking spot belongs to next door building. Hallway. First bedroom. This is the smallest. With the bathroom. Looks pretty decent. This is second bedroom. It's about 100 square feet. Washer dryer. Second bathroom. Third bedroom. Maybe 110, 20 square feet. And the last bedroom. I think this is a little, maybe the same size. And then it has its own bathroom. And a closet. And I just almost tripped.